This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee bags, specifically these great Bag Tech coffee tin tie bags. They come in two options, the plain one and with a window, if you want to be able to see what's inside. And they both measure 4 3/4 inches by 9 3/4, and they're about 2.5 deep. They're made of sturdy, eco-friendly, biodegradable craft paper, making them a good packaging option for not only coffee, but baked goods and bulk items as well. The craft paper is nice and sturdy, meaning that they're easy to open up. And once they are, they're ready to fill. That built-in tie means that they're easy to close up and you don't need anything additionally to seal your bags. Simply fold over as many times as needed and then push those little ties back to form a nice tight seal on your bags, keeping your goods fresh and presenting a nice, beautiful, clean presentation to your customers. So they're quick, easy to use, and easy to fill, which is fantastic, especially if you're going to be packing up bulk goods to sell to your customers. These are perfect for grab and go items. They're easy enough to use, and they're easy enough to dress up as well. You notice, especially on the plain ones, there's a huge area both front and back and on the bottom for stickers and labels. So if you need to put on things like branding, flavor or ingredient labels or identifiers, and also if you need to actually put on larger stickers to have the full ingredients and nutritional information, there's ample space to do that. You've also got lots of real estate on the window one, on the back and bottom, and nice areas above and below the window for stickers if you're looking to put some branding on those as well. So these are really great options for small cafes, coffee shops, restaurants, or any place that's looking to do some kind of grab and go items, do some retail merchandising of things like coffee or other dry goods, baked goods like cookies, scones, biscotti, cheese straws, crackers, all that great stuff. Even things like maybe granola, trail mix, or snack mix. These are a great idea for those because they'll keep them nice and fresh with that great seal. You can show off your product and they're going to be easy to customize for small businesses. Just a stamp, some stickers, a few labels, and you'll be ready to go. You keep your flavors fresh and keep the moisture out.